I hope you all did well on your quiz yesterday. Today we're starting lesson 22, and it's a lot of the same kind of stuff that we've been doing. This lesson is called Understand Measurement with Different Units. And this first couple pages are some projects, activities that you can do with your family. So let's go ahead and turn to page 539. And for some reason it's pretty blurry today, and I'm not sure. I've tried fixing it and I don't know what's going on, so hopefully you can read that okay. If not, read it from your book. Okay, the first question says, Kim and Nadia measure the same piece of fabric. Fill in each blank. It says, Kim reads the length in inches. How long is the fabric in inches? So inches, it would be 36 inches. She used a yardstick, or you can use 3 rulers. And a yardstick, it's a yardstick long, so it's 36 inches. How long is it in feet? Well, we know that a yardstick has 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. And foot, you can just do one of those. Okay, let's go to the next page. Look at the ruler. Which unit is greater, 1 inch or 1 foot? Well, this is an inch, and 12 inches equals a foot. This is a foot. So we know that 1 foot is greater. Okay, would you use more feet or more inches to measure the same object? You would use more inches, right? Because there's 12 inches in a ruler and only 1 foot in a ruler. So you would use more inches. Why would you measure something in feet instead of inches? Why would you measure something in inches instead of feet? Well, the answer to that is because some objects are longer and some are shorter. It wouldn't make sense to use a great big long ruler if it was like a toothpick. Okay. Now, you're going to go and do pages 500 and, let's see what pages they are. 42 and 540, nope, just 542. You're going to do that one by yourself, and then you're going to come back, and we're going to move on to session 2. We're just moving right along, aren't we? Okay, so pause it and go do page 542 by yourself. Okay, now we're on page 543. It says, use a ruler, measure the length of the paper clip in inches and in centimeters. Here's our ruler. This is getting easy because we've had lots of practice. Okay, let's move that up. All right, there we go. To measure that in inches, we have how many inches? 1, 2. The paper clip is about how many centimeters? So let me turn it around and let's put it on the 0, and it looks like it's 5 centimeters long. It says about, so we're just doing estimations. Okay, use a ruler, measure the length of the leaf in inches and in centimeters. Now we could do the same thing with leaves. All right. How long do you think about in inches? 3 inches. Turn it around. And how about in centimeters? About 7. Easy peasy. Okay, moving on. Let's go to page 544. Circle the longer object. Would it take fewer erasers or fewer buttons to measure the length of your pencil? So we know that this is the longer object. Because it is longer, it would take fewer erasers. Because it's going to take 2 or 3 buttons to equal that. Number 4, complete the problems below. If you measure the length of your math book, will it take more inches or more centimeters? It's going to take more centimeters because look how many on the ruler. Let's turn it around this way. There's an inch, and there's about almost 2 centimeters in an inch. So it's going to take more centimeters. Now use a ruler. Measure the marker below in inches and in centimeters. Well, we're getting lots of practice today, aren't we? Okay, it looks like I'm putting it on the 0. It looks like it's about 4 inches. And how many centimeters? Let's see. About 10. Okay, this should not take you very long. Now I need you to go do pages 545 and 546 by yourself. And that probably should take you 3 minutes. You got this.